You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. In my immediate past video, I'm talking about this very area of consolidation, and I said market is going to go down, and that is what we are seeing right now. On the 4-hour chart, BTC USDT, you see this breakout. I talk about this breakout in that I am expecting the market to break out, and you should look for taking a short position on futures. Not only that, on the ETH USDT, the same thing, this breakout, and also on BNB. I'm also going to do a brief analysis on Hook USDT. Are you still holding Hook up to this time? Is it going to break this very level of support to the downside, or we're going to see the market still pump to the upside? All of this and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USD 1-day chart, if you look at this very area, one thing very important you have to understand in technical analysis is area of momentum, where momentum is building. Okay, so this area of consolidation is an area where momentum is building up. So that also means that market is going to pump either way. But if you look at the overall chart, we discover that at this very point, from this area to the downside, the market moved aggressively to the downside. And since then, we've not seen the bulls move the market up to this very length. So market have been struggling to go up in as much as struggling as well to go down. So if you look at this very area critically, you will discover that markets move significantly to the upside from this very low up to this very point, but it's lacking momentum to move to the upside, even breaking this level of resistance. So with this analysis, I am still expecting the market to come back down. Okay, that is what I am expecting. Market should come back to the downside to this very area of support. I have been talking about markets coming back down even when we were seeing this little move to the upside. This could be a faker move for the market to actually move back aggressively to the downside. So your attention should still be on the market moving downward, that is bearish. And on the 4-hour chart, BTC, you see this very area, we have a very nice support here, a very nice support at this very area. Nice support at these very points. Market breakout, I was talking about that. Then if you look at the way market breaks out here, you see market breaks out to the downside, could not move down, but we see the market come back to retest on this very level of support, making this to be resistance, which is support at this very area, support at this very point. So that means that the market have capacity of coming back to the downside. Now, even though you see the market try to shift a little bit to the upside, remember this very level of resistance is very, very important to the market right now. So market is going to still head back down. That is what I am expecting on BTC USDT 4-hour chart. On the immediate short term, guys, market should still move back down in continuation with this very move. If you look at this, you see market move down, you see retracement, it moves down, retracement. So market is going to continue again. Okay, in that formation, we see this a lower low, this a lower low as well at this area, and we have this a lower high and this a lower high as well. So market is already forming a downward trend to the downside. And on ETH USDT, the same thing I was talking about, breakout on this level of support. If you follow that video in that very analysis, congratulations, you should be in profit in your trade. And this is a very nice support, which was support here. The breakout happened, the market is retesting this level of support, making this resistance. So support here, support at this area, support at this area, turning resistance. I am still expecting the market to move from this area where the market is right now into this level, that is market should come back down. That also means that if you look at this very area of resistance, if market move up, because such thing like this can happen in the market, if it move up, don't panic. This very level of resistance is very important, in as much as this is where we see the market move from, and this breakout occur at this very level. The market will be hindered from this area and it will still come back to the downside, except unforeseen fundamentals. But I am expecting the market to move from this area right now into this level of support. So expect a downward movement in this bearish formation. So a short position will be a nice thing to do for the market as the market is going back to the downside. And on WOOC USDT right here, you see WOOC, I was talking about this launch pad some few weeks ago, and we see the market do very well up to 2000%. That means from this very area of 0.001 where we bought this WOOC from, and the market shoot up to this very area of approximately $5. Now right now, if you are still holding WOOC, you have to understand something on this chart. If you look at it very well, you see market pump, come back down, and at this very point market could not make this high anymore. That means it's losing momentum. Not only that, people are not willing to buy as much as to push the market to the upside. So this very line of support is very important at this very area. So expect the market to come back down, a breakout here, which is what I am expecting. This breakout to happen is going to send this WOOC back to the downside, and expect the market to come into this very area of $1.5. This $1.5 here is very, very important. You have to take note of this very area. So I am expecting the market to come back down, and a breakout here is going to send the market back down further. This is a very strong support here. We have a strong support at this area, strong support all this area. A breakout here is going to send the market back down. I am not expecting WOOC to move up anymore because of this very kind of price action in the boost. You see the market move up and then it moves up here. Market is not getting any momentum to the upside. Rather, we're beginning to see this kind of candle to the downside. So expect the market to move right down on WOOC USDT. A breakout here is going to send the market back to the downside. And one thing very important, in my last video I talked about BNB USDT. So if you look at BNB USDT here, I was looking at this very area as well, and I said a breakout on the level of support is going to set the market back down, and you should expect the market to break out. Market do break out. After this breakout, you see this little retracement to the upside, which is happening right now. Market is still going to continue back down, and I said your target should be at this very area of support. That means I'm expecting this market can drop up to this very level of support. So expect the market to move further to the downside on BNB USDT. From this area where the market is right now, market is going to plunge back to the downside in this bearish formation. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on the BTC USD 1-day chart. Market should come back down, and on BTC USD 4-hour chart on the mid short term, expect the market to still come back to the downside as well, and also on ETH and BNB, and also on WOOC at this very point. What do you think about the market on WOOC token right now? It's just a newly settled token last week on Binance. Do you think this market is going to, from this area of support, is going to move to the upside, or we're going to see this breakout happen in the market and market is going to drop back to the downside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the link down below the description of this video. And if you have not registered for the Remit Trade intensive course and learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description of this video. See a contact, reach out to me right now and get properly trained. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.